Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start at your local Common Service Center or CSC online portal to register. Bring one passport photo, original Aadhaar or passport, and one proof of address. Fill the CSC application form carefully and enter your digital contact details. Upload scanned documents with each file under 2 MB in size. Pay the one-time registration fee directly at the center or via UPI. Expect verification within 7 working days and a confirmation SMS with your CSC ID number. Keep a printed copy of the receipt and your temporary CSC credentials for reference. Use your CSC ID and secure password to log into the CSC portal or the app. Browse the services catalog, which lists over 100 government and private services available. Select a service like certificate, payment, or registration, and read the form requirements carefully. Collect required supporting documents physically or upload digital copies when the service allows uploads. Pay service fees and convenience charges using UPI, card, or cash. Get an electronic receipt immediately. Download or print the transaction receipt and the issued certificate within 30 days for your records. Contact the CSC help desk at the center for immediate in-person support and basic troubleshooting. If unresolved, request a help desk ticket and escalate the issue online within 48 hours. Refund requests for payment errors are processed within 15 calendar days after validation. Keep your CSC ID, transaction receipt, and ticket number ready when following up by phone or email. Use scheduled training sessions at the center to learn new services, updates, and security practices. Always log out after each session and protect your password to prevent unauthorized access to services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.